Howdy, it's Tom Knotek here with MarineMax Sailandski in Austin, Texas, and I'm bringing you a premium trim level with Harris right now. This is the 250 Solstice. It is a brand new 2022 model, and this one has a really cool layout, and I'm going to tell you, this is very unique. This is one that I'm going to show you some pictures on it. Here's the listing. We can get this here to Austin, Texas pretty easily. It's an entertainment galley with dual helm seats. So you have dual bucket seats, and see if I can get better pictures here for you. I think there's a couple as I move forward. You'll see this layout, and here it is. So you've got two helm seats and this entertainment galley in the back. It's even got a faucet back here. I mean, this is where luxury meets entertainment, along with this thing's got a 300 horsepower motor on it. So this is really one to look out for right here. And when you get into the Solstice model, you do get nicer furniture, you get nicer stitching, finish out on the vinyl. So really awesome boat, but I might reflect back to that. But just to start off here, this is the boat that I built on here for you, and it's got that ebony metallic color on the exterior. They've matched the rub rail, the black, so it's that flat black, that really stealth, cool looking color scheme. And then they've gone with the pillow top desert camel. So that is the extra cushion on your back. Definitely good if you need lumbar support. This is going to be very ergonomic and comfy. And then here is that layout. So I have not myself seen one of these layouts come through, but it is very, very open for when you have guests on the boat. I mean, what is it all about but getting more people on the water? And when you bring people on the water in a fashion like this, they're definitely coming back. So moving forward, it does have a double bimini on this one, so you'll have full coverage. Definitely something we recommend here in Texas. Performance level package 3 ensures you this will be a tri-tune. You'll have 3 aluminum tunes. They'll all be 27 inches in diameter. It's a 67 gallon gas tank, so plenty of fuel for the whole day, if not a couple days. And you will get a ski tow bar that you can have on this as well, and in-floor storage, not to mention. So there's the engine that we've configured on it. It does have, it's a Verado Mercury line, and it has the digital throttle and shift. So this one's got a lot of packages, and I'll try to simplify it. This boat has a lot on it, but I'm going to try to make it easy. And to start off, it does have the desert beige seagrass flooring, and if I jump back, you can kind of see it in this picture right here. If I blow it up, it goes really well with the vinyl, in my opinion. Kind of pretty good match right there. And there's that sink, which is really, really nice if you want to get some food going on the boat, which is definitely a possibility on something like this. And just some other pictures to show you. This is a different seating configuration here, but just a good look at this stitching. It is definitely a higher end boat, and you can see that backrest I was talking about right there, the ski locker for more in-floor storage, and I think I had a couple more. There's the helm right there. This one has a raised helm. I can't tell, this one might be raised in this picture, but it's got that removable windscreen. But just better view here on the speaker, and just how everything is so nice when you get to this level. It's got the total lighting package, which ensures you interior lighting and exterior lighting, getting the best of both worlds. And I can tell you some of the exterior lighting on this is pretty amazing, with kind of the underwater lighting and the lighting like below the tunes. Makes the boat look really cool. And then the prestige trim level gets you everything here in the convenience package below. So you get a couple, kick plates, portable cup holder, little things, and do the quick release system, the upgraded steering wheel. When you start getting into that prestige, You're getting into the LED stainless steel docking light pods, so some really nice docking lights upgraded there. And you get that upgraded table, which you can stow away or use if you need it. And we can put that wherever you want in the boat. We take the order on that. And then the battery selector switch, you'll get two batteries on this, which is needed for all the electronics on a boat like this. And like I said, you get a pressurized faucet with the freshwater tank. That's pretty cool on a boat like this to cook. And then a wireless charger, 9-inch screen on this for all the instrumentation, and that raised helm, which gets you a better line of sight when you're driving the boat. Makes it a lot safer when driving the vessel. It does have the JL Diamonds, all JL audio when it comes to everything from the amp to the speakers and then the sub. So it's definitely upgraded in the audio as well. But once again, Tom Knotek here at MarineMax Sail and Ski. You can reach out to me at 512-774-0866. I just want to make sure we get as many people out in the water as possible, and the more of these pontoons that go out, the more we're conquering our goal on that, I feel like. So I will catch you next time. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what I can do better. Or you can go subscribe to this MarineMax channel, and you can check out lots of different videos from all over the nation. We're like 80 stores deep. So y'all have a great rest of the day, and I'll catch you next time.